Forever and a day I will want to listen. Dealing with this life like, yeah, we can talk addiction. Engine run and make the pistons pump. In the kitchen, pretty lady make me feel like a chump. This shit feel hard like carcinogenic bumps. Hit the pedal with a thump, lump around like what the fuck are we supposed to do now? Ow, taking damage. Living life is hard to manage, but luckily I carry bandages. Drunk off of bad water, fuck your sad daughter. She'll make me into an author, writing about life as I offer. And she be with me, high and fly, and shit shy as a frisbee. Finally, deadline, boys. Fuck a dice for the fries. Eat my lies, beat those thighs. Listen while you're fucking her, she sighs. Broad, so I follow you fondly. Well, I just bagged me a brand new blondie. Someday I'll be saying I'm sorry, but not today, bitch. Nothing to worry. I fuck you in a hurry. In the blizzard where it's dark, cold, and scurry. White dots in my think thought spots. What is up, cops? Sup, yup, Royal Reserve in my cup. And the cup side. So, listen up, pup. The pot's gone, yo. You may get wild up and fucked up. Listen, boy, I done had enough. Please don't come and take my life away. Kinda don't wanna die today. Only the strong survive, but the good die young. So hey, as you get older, you will get wiser. But you may also cease to succeed ciphers. Me, I'm fly with the flyers. Smoke weed every day. Tighter than a grip pair of pliers. I was the shits and shit in the diapers. Now I fuck your bitch while kidding about getting Richie Myers some money for the honey. He show up like, y'all, you was sent for me? I smile and say simply, she got like 50 different dimples. So we be making love so, playing with her Nintendo 64 nipples. How about I give you an orgasm for Christmas? Just please, baby, jot it down on your wish list. You're the last girl I did kiss. When you start acting shady, we're done, and I'm pissed. 'Cause life is simple.